Hi guys, with the best 360 cameras, you can capture images and videos that are quite unlike anything else. You can capture video which can be explored edited down to flat 2D or explored in full by dragging on a screen or deep diving using AR glasses. Understanding it fully can be a little technical, but you probably won't need to. The best cameras have apps which help you sidestep this. So, let's get started. Number 5. Insta360 One RS Camera. The action camera redefines the way we capture life's moments with its advanced features and user-friendly design. This versatile camera excels in capturing immersive images and videos, making it a top choice for both amateurs and professionals. Capture your life in 360. The Insta360 One RS allows you to effortlessly capture every angle of your surroundings with its 360 degrees imaging capabilities. Whether you're documenting a scenic landscape or a bustling event, this camera ensures you won't miss a single detail. High image quality. With its high-resolution sensors and precise image stitching, the One RS produces stunningly clear and natural 360 degrees still images and videos. This level of detail ensures your memories are preserved with exceptional quality. 4K movie mode. The camera's ability to record 4K 360-degree videos is complemented by cutting-edge image stabilization technology. This ensures smooth, high-quality footage, perfect for any action-packed adventure or serene landscape. Night view mode. Shooting in low light is no longer a challenge with the night view mode. This preset allows you to capture beautiful night scenes with reduced noise and a wider dynamic range. The face detection function also enhances portrait shots, making nighttime photography more rewarding. Dual lens exposure. This innovative feature independently controls the AE, auto exposure, and AWB, auto white balance, for the front and rear cameras. It's particularly useful in high-contrast environments, such as shooting indoors with bright sunlight filtering through windows or in cars. High-speed data transfer. Transferring your videos is faster than ever, thanks to the significantly improved data transfer speed of the One RS. This efficiency ensures you spend less time waiting and more time creating. The Insta360 One RS is a powerful, feature-rich camera that makes capturing and sharing your experiences simpler and more enjoyable than ever before. The next is Number 4. Ricoh Theta X 360-degree camera. This camera is a powerhouse in the world of immersive imaging, packed with cutting-edge features that cater to both casual users and professional photographers. Large 2.25-inch touchscreen display. One of the standout features of the Theta X is its large 2.25-inch touchscreen display. This allows for a range of operations, from capture to viewing, to be performed directly on the camera without needing a smartphone. This significantly enhances shooting efficiency, making the process more intuitive and streamlined. High-resolution 360-degree still images. The Theta X boasts a new sensor with approximately 48 MP, enabling the capture of high-resolution 360-degree still images with a maximum output of about 60 MP. This means your photos will be incredibly detailed and lifelike, preserving every nuance of your surroundings. 5.7K movie recording. For video enthusiasts, the Theta X offers 5.7K movie recording with enhanced image stabilization. This ensures your 360-degree videos are captured at a resolution of 5760 by 2880 pixels at 30 frames per second, FPS, delivering vivid and smooth footage that's perfect for any occasion. Swappable battery and memory card. The ability to switch out the battery and memory card is a game-changer for those who shoot for extended periods or capture a large number of images. This feature allows continuous shooting without worrying about running out of battery life or storage space. USB 3.0 Type-C. The USB Type-C port on the side of the camera allows for power to be supplied during tripod use without needing an optional extension adapter. This adds convenience and ensures your camera remains powered during long shooting sessions. The Ricoh Theta X 360-degree camera combines high-resolution imaging, versatile features, and robust design to provide an exceptional experience for capturing immersive photos and videos. The next is Number 3. GoPro Hero 12 Black Camera. The camera sets a new standard for action cameras with its remarkable features and top-tier performance, making it a must-have for adventure enthusiasts and content creators alike. High dynamic range video plus photo. The Hero 12 Black elevates image quality with its high dynamic range (HDR) capability for both video and photos. Whether you're shooting in 5.3K or 4K, HDR ensures that every detail is captured with precision, even in challenging lighting conditions. This feature brings out the subtle details in shadows and bright spots, resulting in footage that is vibrant and true to life. Unbelievable image quality. The camera's 5.3K video resolution provides 91% more resolution than 4K and a staggering 665% more than 1080p. This means your videos will be exceptionally sharp and cinematic. Additionally, the Hero 12 Black captures 27MP photos and allows you to extract stunning 24.7MP stills from your videos using the GoPro Quick app. This level of detail ensures that every moment is preserved in high quality. Emmy Award-winning Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization. Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization technology continues to impress, delivering incredibly smooth footage even in the most turbulent conditions. Recognized with an Emmy Award for in-camera sensor and software stabilization, this feature ensures that your videos remain silky smooth, whether you're biking, skiing, or capturing dynamic POV shots. The enhanced Auto Boost performance maximizes stabilization while minimizing image cropping. Rugged plus waterproof to 33 feet 10 meters, built to withstand the toughest environments, the Hero 12 Black is waterproof up to 33 feet 10 meters and features a rugged design. Its legendary durability means it can handle mud, snow, and water without missing a beat. The water-repelling lens cover further enhances your footage by reducing lens flare and other artifacts. The GoPro Hero 12 Black combines advanced technology, rugged design, and unparalleled image quality, making it the ultimate companion for capturing your adventures in stunning detail. The next is Number 2, Ricoh Theta Z1 camera. The camera stands out as a premier 360-degree camera, packed with advanced features designed to deliver exceptional image quality and user convenience. Whether you're a professional photographer or a virtual tour creator, the Theta Z1 offers unparalleled performance and versatility. Expanded internal memory. The Theta Z1 comes with a substantial 51 GB of internal memory, which is approximately 2.7 times larger than its predecessor. This generous storage capacity allows you to capture around 6,350 JPEG still images, 900 RAW plus still images, or 110 minutes of 4K video. This means more shooting and less transferring, giving you the freedom to focus on your creative process. Superior image quality. Equipped with two 1-inch type back illuminated CMOS sensors and a newly developed lens unit, the Theta Z1 minimizes ghosting, flare, and fringing, ensuring the highest image quality in the Theta series. The camera captures natural 360 degrees images at a stunning 23MP resolution, approximately 6720 by 3360 7K, through a high-precision stitching process, producing detailed and immersive visuals. Enhanced HDR imaging. The Theta Z1 excels in environments with varying brightness levels, such as real estate interiors and exteriors. Enhanced HDR image processing allows for the easy capture of these scenes, producing balanced images that can be seamlessly integrated into virtual tours. This feature ensures that every detail is visible, from shadowed corners to bright outdoor views. Impressive 4K video and sound. The camera offers impressive 4K 360 degrees video capture with smooth image stabilization, delivering professional-grade footage. Additionally, the 4-channel microphone captures immersive sound, enhancing the overall viewing experience. The Ricoh Theta Z1 is a powerful tool for capturing high-quality 360 degrees images and videos, offering features that cater to both casual users and professionals looking for the best in immersive photography. The next is Number 1, Ricoh Theta Z2 White 360 degrees camera. This camera is an excellent choice for capturing life's moments in immersive 360 degrees imagery. Its advanced features and sleek design make it ideal for both casual users and budding photographers who want to explore the world of 360 degrees photography. Capture your life in 360 with the Theta Z2. Capturing your surroundings in 360 degrees is a breeze. This camera allows you to effortlessly take immersive images, ensuring high performance and ease of use. Whether you're at a family gathering, a scenic location, or an exciting event, the Theta Z2 ensures you capture every angle. High image quality. The camera excels in producing high-resolution 360 degrees still images and videos. Thanks to precise image stitching, your photos and videos will have a natural and seamless look, preserving the details and nuances of your scenes. 4K movie mode. The Theta Z2 supports high-quality 4K 360-degree video recording. With the latest image stabilization technology, your videos will be smooth and professional-looking, capturing every moment with clarity and stability. Night view mode. Shooting in low light is no longer a challenge with the new night view mode. This preset mode allows you to take beautiful night scenes with low noise and a wider dynamic range. Additionally, the face detection function ensures you can capture stunning portraits even in dim lighting. Elegant design. The Theta Z2 is designed to fit comfortably in your hand and comes in 4 elegant colors. Its thin and lightweight body, optimized through a proprietary folded optics system, makes it easy to carry around and use on the go. The Ricoh Theta Z2 White 360° camera combines high-quality imaging, advanced features, and a stylish design to offer a versatile and user-friendly experience for capturing and sharing your world in 360 degrees. So this is the best option for you to buy.